Welcome back to AppStudio Jumpstart video series. The topic of this video is testing AppStudio apps using Player. The agenda for this video is to show you what is AppStudio Player for ArcGIS and a quick demo of the AppStudio for ArcGIS. AppStudio Player is like a magical tools that can do a lot of things. AppStudio Player is like a container. It contains all of the apps created by you, by other members in your organization, or apps that are shared publicly. You can instantly view apps that are created with AppStudio Desktop natively inside the player. Basically, what it does, it executes your code on a real device so that you can test your apps quickly and easily. Where can we get AppStudio Player? AppStudio Player is available in iOS App Store, Android Google Play Store, and you can even download AppStudio Player through your Windows, macOS, and Linux desktop. That means you can test your apps on all of the platforms. AppStudio app is basically an ArcGIS item that you can share to your organization or a specific group so that other people in your organization can download and test your app inside the player instantly. The source code of the Player app is available in AppStudio Desktop, so you can easily customize it as your own enterprise distribution app. So now, let's take a look at the AppStudio Player. As we said before, you can download AppStudio Player from the App Store. This is the AppStudio Player app. You can sign in with your ArcGIS Online or Enterprise account. What I want to highlight here is the Skip Sign-in button. This allows you to view public apps without a named user account. Now, I'm going to scan the QR code of a public apps from AppStudio Desktop by going to the Side menu, Scan QR code. As you can see, it recognized the QR code and the app is being downloaded. And now the app is running inside the AppStudio Player. If you want to download and test the app that are not public, you can sign in to your ArcGIS Online organization account or ArcGIS Enterprise. I'm going to sign into ArcGIS Online. Once you are signed in, the app will direct you to the cloud page where you can find all of your app as well as apps that are shared with you. You can easily sort apps by latest updated, latest created, or by name. Alright, I'm going to download one of the app here called 3D Scene Viewer 4.1. As you can see, in this info page, there are a lot of information about this app, about who the owner is, when it was created and last updated, and all of the detail and description of the app. I'm going to click download on the download button on the bottom right corner. Once it is finished downloading, you can play the app. As you can see that this app is being played inside the player. So we can see here there's a cool 3D scene viewer. I believe this is a Grand Canyon. When the app is running inside the player, there's a side menu of the player that you can open where you can update the app by clicking the refresh button. You can also enter the screenshot mode if you need to take a screenshot of the app. We're going to talk more about the remote console in a different video, and also you can exit the app by clicking on exit button. Now, Let's talk about the setting of AppStudio Player. I click on the side menu and click App Setting. The first setting is Auto Sign In. Auto Sign In is turned on by default. This setting lets you automatically sign in when you reopen the app in the future. The second setting is Automatic Updates. By turning on the Automatic Update setting, it allows player to update your local apps automatically. You can also switch to dark theme or switch back to light theme. AppStudio Player support more than 30 languages that will help you test your app with different languages and locale. You can also clear all the apps that you have installed and downloaded. You can also clear all of the sample that you have installed and downloaded. You can clear all of the notification, and you can reset the player to the default setting. Alright, that's all I have for this Jumpstart videos, testing AppStudio apps using Player. I hope you enjoy it and find it useful. Thank you. See you on the next one.